tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang musika namin at maraming salamat. At sa tanggap ninyo, biro mo, hindi namin akalain yung mangyayari itong ganitong klaseng award sa amin. It was beyond our wishes that this happened. Pero gaya sabi nga naman nila, just wish for it and it will happen.
Gaya ni Buboy, thank you. We have so much gratitude for all those people who liked our music through the decades. No? Decades na talaga. Ano ba yung gusto kong sabihin? Marami ako nakausap ng mga young bands, no? And they were asking us, paano kayo tumagal ng ganito? Actually, mga kaibigan, in this business, sisikat ka, mawawala ka. Sisikat ka, mawawala ka. Ganun lang yun. But if you do what you love to do, people will feel your music. Aangkinin nila dahil alam nila na you love what you do. So to all the bands, I advise, just keep writing, keep singing, keep performing through thick and thin, through hardship, rich and poor. Just keep doing what you love to do because that is the greatest feeling of all. Ang wish lang namin talaga, Danny, kasama ka dito. Kasama ka dito. We haven't forgotten you. Mga kaibigan, thank you. Thank you.